All right, so we got it up here. We weren't able to cut it as smooth as we wanted because the bottle ran out of oxygen. So we're gonna go back and clean it up a little bit with the grinder. The place that sells the oxygen is closed today, so that's out. All right, so we're gonna get rid of this little one here. We're gonna get us a bigger one. So it looks like we may not be able to get a whole lot done out here today if it's gonna rain like this off and on all day on the what I had originally said I was gonna work on here was this pole. But a little bit of rain ain't gonna hurt nothing as far as me grinding something, but I ain't gonna be doing a whole lot of welding with it. So we'll take this bigger grinder here and we'll see if we can work a little faster. We're missing a handle. Let me see if I got a handle in here for that thing. All right, let's see how this big one will work. All right, so we got all the weld marks off of it. We got it back turned into just a regular straight piece of pipe. We got a couple on this one down here, the short one, and then we can start cutting it and shaping it up to put it back together or make it longer.